Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Instagram picture after posting them. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. We will simply go ahead now and step into our video. For the matter, first thing first, we'll go ahead and open our Instagram app right there, mobile phone. Once our Instagram app is open, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our profile and see the post that we have done so far. So let's say we have this particular post that we have done, and if you want to remove, if you want to change this Instagram posting, what we have option, if you tap on this three dot above and tap on this edit option, this will simply give us an option to edit our caption. We can go ahead, tag people, we can edit our text as it mentioned, and once we're done we can simply tap on this check mark and it will be updated according to the editing that we have done. But we do not have an option where we can delete or change the post that we have already done. So if you want to do that, let's see, there are two pictures, right? In the two pictures we can change which one will come first, and for that as well we'll have to remove this one. We'll have to simply delete this post. We can go to archive, we can again recover that, and the picture that we want to, we will recover it this first, so this will come first. So we can change two pictures, which one will be first, or if there are three more, then we can change the pattern of the post, but we cannot change the post. We will just have to go ahead, delete our particular post from our Instagram, and again repost which one we would like to post over here. So this is basically it, guys, unfortunately, and I hope this video was helpful for you regarding the issue, and thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.